Number 27. An advisor was presented with a list of statements for a discussion group with potential parents who are considering using in vitro fertilization to start a family. Which statements about IVF are correct? Okay, let's have a look at the options here. Number 1, IVF is available to everyone, which is not true. Not everyone can do or go through IVF. Some people are not, their body, let's say their reproductive system are not supportive. And also, IVF is for those who have, let's say, some problem with the oviducts, usually, because during IVF, the eggs are taken out from the body or from the reproductive system, and this is called ovary. So ovary contains eggs, and the doctors, they take out the eggs and then they put them in petri dish. Actually, they probably just put one per petri dish, and then they provide the egg with a lot of sperms. So it causes a artificial fertilization. So when this artificial fertilization is successful, then that egg or fertilized egg, or we can actually safely call it embryo. This embryo is taken back and put it into women's uterus and implanted on the lining of the uterus. So this is done when a person has a problem with the oviduct, or let's say oviduct is blocked, so the sperms cannot go into the oviduct to meet up with the egg. In this case, IVF is often used. So it's not available to everyone as well. And number 2, IVF is 100% successful. No, it's not. It's actually quite low. The percentage of the successful results is quite low, actually. I think it's about 30 to 40 at highest. Okay. So 2 is not correct as well. Number 3, IVF provides an opportunity for single parents to have a family. Yes, it does provide opportunity for single parents. So number 5, sperm or egg donation may be involved. Yes, this is absolutely true. So if there's a guy who unfortunately cannot make sperms and has a partner, and if they want babies, then the female, his partner, can get the sperm donation. Okay? So, and they can successfully get a baby, but this baby's father, may not be him. Biological father is, of course, the donor of the sperm. So the couple are not always the biological parents. This is absolutely true. So number 5 is true. Let's have a look at number 4. IVF is not expensive and everyone can afford it. No, it's quite expensive. I don't actually know how much it is, but it's quite expensive. So that's why some countries' government actually support those who wants a baby but has to go through IVF. Okay? So the answer for this question is D.